My name is Gabriela Lansford. I am founder of Jasmine Alternative Healing Center. From a very young age, I felt deeply connected to the unseen world. When my third eye opened, I began to see clear vision of my future. I started to understand life on a deeper level. It was breathtaking and life-changing experience that continues to guide me every day. I believe in that all illness begins in the spirit. When our soul is out of the balance, it tries to get our attention. At first, it whispers softly, but if we don't listen, those whispers can turn into physical symptoms. I believe true healing begins by not only treat the body, but also listen messages of the soul. Our inner world and outer world mirror each other. To live in harmony, we must find peace within and find balance around us. My work flows in two directions: guided meditation with Reiki to find inner calm and support the body's healings, and Feng Shui interior design, spiritual homes cleansing, and numerology to find harmony, balance, and bring protection to your home. So I first learned Reiki in 1995. Later I became a Reiki master teacher. Reiki is a gentle Japanese healing technique that helps to release stress and restore balance, and it can be a supportive healing method. And it can be used by anyone and even with animals. Reiki is used in many places at many hospitals and wellness centers as a gentle, supportive healing method. In 2014, I became a mother to my wonderful son. His journey has taught me more about love and patience than anything else. He was delayed on speech and he could not talk for many years. But through his silence, I have learned that true communication does not always need words. His eyes and smile and the gentle way he moves, each one of them speaks of his soul. I have always seen in people not only for who they are, but also who they are becoming. I listen beyond words and feel the messages of their soul. My message to you is the heart of my business motto: shine and heal. Heal your soul and your light will shine again.